Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to delete the cache of update. Update cache is stored inside your C drive and it consumes the storage. So you don't need to keep it, you can delete it. So before that we have to stop the service of Windows Update. Go to services, run as an administrator and look for Windows Update. Here is the Windows Update. Make a right click on it and go to its properties and simply disable this, or you can manually set it, but make sure if it is running you are not able to perform this, so make sure it is stop, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now we are good to go. We need to go to the file explorer. Here you can make a click on this area, right click and then click on File Explorer, then this PC, then C drive, then inside Windows, then look for software distribution, press S, this option. Now look for download, and here is the cache of the Windows Update. Select all and then press Shift plus delete to permanently delete all the cache. Okay, now you have to do this for current, then click on yes. All the cache has been deleted. Update cache, this is the only update cache and you are good to go. So this is how guys you can delete the update cache from your Windows 11 or 10. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.